How to log into MyHR CVS Employee Portal. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here we go. Now over here you will find the search box. Type in MyHR CVS Employee Login and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Go ahead and click on this one, MyHR CVS. Just open it. Just go ahead and select the portal for which you want to log in. All you have to do is click on it, and then you have to type in your user ID and then password. For this video, I will be logging into former CVS portal. After you type in, you can click on log on. In the case you have forgotten your user ID or password, you can click on this option and recover it. If you are a new user and want to register, just go ahead and click on this option of new user. If you haven't registered for your account yet, click on the option of new user and create your account. Once you fill this, click on log on, and just with that you will be logged into your account. Well, this way you can easily log into your MyHR CVS Employee Portal. So that's all for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.